Import the CSV module for working with CSV files. Import the OS module for interacting with the operating system. Get the directory path of the current script file. Define the file path for the CSV file containing sent articles. Define a function to get the list of already sent articles. Open the CSV file containing sent articles in read mode. Initialize an empty list to store sent article IDs. Iterate through each row in the CSV file. If the row is not empty, append the first element, article ID, of the row to the sent_article_ids list. Return the list of sent article IDs. Define a function to add an article ID to the list of already sent articles. Open the CSV file containing sent articles in append mode. Write the given article ID as a new row in the CSV file. Import the requests module for making HTTP requests. Import the re-module for working with regular expressions. Import the get_already_sent function from the already_sent module. Define a function to parse Hacker News articles. Set the Hacker News API URL for top stories and individual article details. Fetch the top story IDs from the Hacker News API. Initialize an empty list to store messages. Iterate through each article ID. If the article ID is already in the sent articles list, skip it. Fetch the article data from the Hacker News API using the article ID. If the article score is greater than or equal to 1000, get the article URL, or use the Hacker News item URL if not available. Format the message with the article title and URL. Append the message to the messages list with the article ID and text. Return the list of messages. Define a function to parse GitHub trending repositories. Set the GitHub trending URL. Fetch the HTML content of the GitHub trending page. Define regular expression patterns for parsing the HTML content. Find all article elements in the HTML content. Initialize an empty list to store messages. Iterate through each article. Find the number of stars for the repository. If the number of stars is greater than 1000, extract the repository title by removing HTML tags. Extract the repository link. If the link is already in the sent articles list, skip it. Extract the repository description, if available. Format the message with the repository title, link, and description. Append the message to the messages list with the link and text. Return the list of messages. Import the requests module for making HTTP requests. Import the time module for working with time-related functions. Import the datetime module for working with dates and times. Import the configuration settings from the config module. Import the hn_parser and gh_parser functions from the parsers module. Import the @_already_sent function from the already_sent module. Set the Telegram bot API key and channel name from the config module. Define a function to send a message to the Telegram channel. Make a GET request to the Telegram API to send a message. If the response status code is 200, successful. Print the message ID. Add the message ID to the list of already sent messages. Else, print the response text. Sleep for 1 second to avoid rate limiting. If the script is being run as the main module, iterate through the parsed Hacker News articles. Send each article to the Telegram channel. Iterate through the parsed GitHub repositories. Send each repository to the Telegram channel.